Yeah, mate. Mate, never heard that before, have you? Sorry, I'm a photographer. And I want to get some portraits to show you my work, man. I'll send it to you. But it has to be the other side because the light's better. Yeah? Oh, mate, that's all. You got me out of trouble. Right, I'll do one at a time, yeah? Right, this light is, if you see where I am, if you just stand there, yeah? Right, that's it, man. Got it. Who's next? Come on, let's have you, man. Oh, you got me bang out of trouble. You can sit down, mate, on there. Right, and look up this way. All it is the light. Right, eyes to the camera.
These guys were actually a band.
Go for it. Who's next? Oh, man, I've got to shoot you, man, in that hat.
You always got to shoot here.
Just there, man. If you look this way, right, look at that. Right, hold up. And then I'll tell you what to do. Really simple. Now, eyes back to the camera. Perfect. And then I'll shoot back. And if you turn towards me square, perfect, just like that. Anyone else want one? Are you two a couple? Can I shoot you? Perfect. Turn your head slightly this way and then bring your eyes back to the camera.
Get the full portfolio.
Keep it simple, man. Hold up.
Guys, you have to grab my Lightroom preset. It's a set still filter for the Ricoh GR3. It's a color preset and you're gonna love it. It's called the set still preset because I created it while shooting film set photography, which I've done quite a lot of over the past sort of 6 years or so. I use it on a lot of my street and docu work as well as band musician stuff. It's also a great base for a lot of the street portraits that I shoot with the Ricoh. I'll bang a link in the show notes, but you can get it at lashmarcreative.com and follow the signposts. Back to Chinatown. Scenes, creating. If I can get 2 free shots from a street shoot, I'm happy, guys. Keep working it. Working the colour palette a bit, the shop sign, but then the dress the lady's wearing, the rubbish sacks in the foreground. I like this shot. The graffiti's cool, a little different, composing, feeling it out. I'm not worried about getting it right or getting it wrong.
Can you get a bus here to...
I know where Tottenham Court Road is.
Oh, that's Tottenham Court Road, isn't
Of
it?
course. Sweet guy.
Can I take your picture?
Of course you can.
Yeah? What about if you stand round here, if you just sit here like this, then it'd be good, Right, hold up. I might get a bit close. Hold up.
No worries. I happen
Now,
so...
where's the light? Where's the light? If you turn this way, that's it. I got it there.
It's so rare one gets close to anything these days.
Guys, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget, check out the preset too. I think you're going to love it. I really do.
This way, and then bring your eyes back to the camera. I don't want to get in my own.
Yeah.
I'm getting in the light. Hold up, right there. So if you look here, right, if you close your eyes and they're open. I'm Gary, man. Pleased to meet you.
Great pleasure.
Cheers, fella. Thank you.